So I'm not going to lie to y'all, I was really disappointed when I opened these dormant roots, the blueberry and the raspberry, and I just saw a little bundle of dirt and a twig. And I mean, you guys saw I literally lost the raspberry root when planting it. I did manage to find it. I dug it up, and I did plant them in 2 small pods. I'm watering it, I'm taking care of it, and if it works out, hey, in 18 months, I might have a plant that fruits. But I'm impatient and I want instant gratification, so I went ahead and got live plants that should fruit this year. That said, I do have to mention a dormant plant is more stress resilient because it hasn't put on new growth yet. So it's less likely to have transplant shock. And you do have some seasonal flexibility where you can plant them late winter to early spring because they haven't broken dormancy yet. Where this isn't really the same with a live plant. You really have a small window of time to get those planted in the ground. So like I previously said though, with a live plant, I'm getting instant gratification. It already came with green leaves. I can immediately assess the health of the plant, and they're easier to establish. They might suffer transplant shock, but if you handle it with care, you can minimize this. And of course, get something that is appropriate for your growing zone and it will acclimate quickly. So I will be giving you guys updates as this season progresses. We will see if the berry bushes actually fruit. Please like and subscribe, and we can grow, harvest, and heal together.